Rex at Rex Upholstery, checking out the Vicky. It's almost done, right?
We're working hard. We as in me. There's nobody else here.
No, we got Bodie down there
Really
too.
helping with that, yeah.
But yeah, we're out here at Rex Upholstery. He's putting this whole entire car together, the interior. I think it looks pretty good, man.
I'm happy with it.
It's neat to see, like, you know, from a metal shell for it to like transform, and now you can see where the seats are. But let's take a look at this thing and see what he's done. Walk us through what you got going on.
I just got the construction done in the rear section of the car. If you want to come over here and see, the back was supposed to look like a seat, so I did my best to make it look like a seat and made everything custom out of a combination of wood and foam and some clips. I got to foam the front seat, and then I'm also working on the headliner. If you look up inside there's a combination of wood. Right now, that's going to get foamed and covered with wool headlining material. And then I got to make the surround sections that go above the doors and rear quarters around the windows. That'll get covered in the wool headlining material too. And then we'll work our way down and forward. There's components that need to be accessible in the back of that. So everything's going to be able to pop out easily. So you can get to the battery and then some electrical stuff for the speakers and stereo underneath there and behind there. So obviously we'll have to service the batteries and whatever else electric motor stuff is behind that rear seat. So all that's just going to come out with a series of couple screws and mostly just popping things in and out of place.
Where's the leather coming from?
Croatia. Long ways away, so it needs to get here now.
By camel.
Yeah.
Can we see the materials?
Yeah. Andy Me at Flying Iron Designs did all the garnish molding and dash accessories that have the faux wood grain effect in them. He's an amazing painter. This is the leather that's going in the seats and surrounding panels. This is the carpet, wool German carpet. Here's the wool headlining material for the headliner, and then a similar color wool moquette cloth for the seat inserts and other inserts throughout the side panels and package tray. That'll be a neat look in there.
So we got Bodie Stroud here today. You're working for Rex now, right?
I work for Rex. Best job in the world. I love the guy. Easy going. We go surfing twice a day. In his bus out there. Freaking killer.
Yeah. Bodie actually built the car more than once.
Yeah.
a couple
times I've built this car.
So he's the master fabricator behind this entire what do we even call it? Sign project?
I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So
I'll tell you, I can't wait till it's done, that's for sure.
Yeah, that makes two of us.
Yeah.
But cars coming together. It is.
It's getting there. It's looking really good. I like the direction Rex is heading with the upholstery.
Oh, it's to be a killer interior.
Yeah, it looks really good.
It flows with the rest of the car too. It's kind of got this no hard edges on it. It's got like a nice flow to it.
Exactly. The panels on the dash and everything, like Rex was saying, looks really good. I like the seat.
Headliner's gonna look good.
The headliner's gonna look good. The seat looks way better than what was in there when we first got the car.
Oh yeah, no, it's got a nice little wave to it too.
Yeah, no, it's coming together. It's one of those things.
Well, I know he's under a crazy deadline because this car's going on to season 2 right now, right?
Yeah, season 2. So they want to just show some more progress, for the next season. So hopefully it doesn't make it all the way to season 10 before it's done.
Well, people don't understand this is actually a car that's on the show that is actually being built.
Yeah.
So they take it offset, bring it to you.
And in
between in between what episodes or something?
Episodes, yeah. It comes back to me. I do a little bit more. It goes back on set for a little bit, and it comes back to me. And then, you got to be careful of how much you take apart to go forward or start working on something, because usually, you got to fabricate something to move forward. So it involves redoing some things and moving things. And Tim likes to create a lot of changes.
Yeah, well, that's why this car's still here, right? But it's
the car. A lot of people don't realize that I built the car with a 351 and a transmission. So I'd already built a whole chassis, whole floorboard, firewall, trans tunnel, I mean, this thing would have been done years ago, you know? So then he said, let's make it electric. And I was like, okay. So I rebuilt a whole new chassis,
Well, you have to.
cut out the floorboard, cut out the firewall, cut out the package tray, and started making room for batteries.
It's the hardest part. And the motor is not hard to get in. It's the batteries.
Yeah,
It's just where are you going to put all these batteries in a car that was never designed for it?
exactly. And he loves, like a clean engine bay.
Sure.
So
you
he
can't put
doesn't.
them in there?
No, you can't put him in there. He just wants to see the motor and whatever drives the car,
Well-
transmission or gearbox, whatever.
You did a good job hiding them, man.
Yeah, it looks good. Well, you guys did a great job too. I mean, it looks good. It's funny because I recommended you guys in the beginning. I
Oh,
don't
no
know
kidding.
if Brett ever told you that.
No, I never heard that.
Mhm.
That's I learned something.
The
new.
very beginning,
No kidding.
when he first said he wanted to do electric, we said Tesla, and he wanted something different. I'm not supposed to say that out loud, but
Yeah, it is way. Look, everyone has ideas, and then sometimes they work, and sometimes they don't.
yeah, exactly. And
I mean, that's why I use Tesla motors because they're reliable and they're made by an OE. And people bash OEs all the time. They make the best products because they spend billions of dollars in research.
I hear, and if you can make OE work properly, then I agree.
Yeah, we do have a new motor coming out. I'm not gonna say too much about it, but it's also based off the smaller, Tesla stuff.
Oh, really?
And once again, it's like their gears, their everything is so. I mean, it's so tested
Mm-hmm.
and so good. Like, why would I strive away from that?
Yeah.
A lot of the aftermarket guys are trying to make motors. I mean, they're having all sorts of controllability issues because they don't have the millions and millions and billions of dollars to sink into this.
Yeah, and I learned the same thing with all the modular motors I was doing in the beginning because I was building them before they were plug and play.
Sure.
I think I was the first to do the Ford GT motor, mid-engine, behind the driver's seat, put it up in front under a hood. And I used all the factory control models, factory ECU, factory wiring.
It worked.
It worked.
Yeah. Because
I programmed the computer. I got it flash, got rid of all the security codes, the fault codes, all that stuff. And it all matched up. I actually used the GT gauges in the car too, in the Starliner I built. And the car fired right up when I was done.
it's funny how that
Yeah.
people try to you see all these EFIs people putting on, just don't work.
That's actually how I met Tim. He was doing triple nickel. Someone was building it up in the Bay Area for him, and a friend of mine told him about the Starliner I was building with the same motor. And so he came over and he said, "Hey, can I fly you out there to look at it?" And I said, "Well, just have the guy send me the computer. Let me see what you're working with." Well, it was a 2005 Ford Lightning pickup truck
Okay.
ECU. So I was all, well, what else are you using? And he says, "Well, we can't get the factory components." I said, "Yeah, you can." He's all, "No, the Ford won't sell them." I said, "I went right to Galpin. I had a VIN for a GT,
So they let you get one.
so they let me get all the components." Yeah. And plus they thought it was bitching. They're all, "You're what?" I'm like, "Yeah."
So we've got windows going in now.
I'm doing the window switches for the windows so that Rex can mark them and put the holes right here in the wood, and he has location, and that should keep him going for a little bit. And I think, what else we got, Rex?
Everything else, anything else interior related
Cool.
needs to be done in the next 2 weeks.
Yeah,
We'll come-
Yeah, Rex is under he's under the gun right now. He's got a lot of stress going on.
Well,
I think you'll be fine.
he'll
I can
get
see the light at the end of the tunnel.
get through it. Well,
Yeah, you'll be fine.
we'll come back here next week or two, check on you, see how things are going, and give you guys a glimpse of this thing coming together. And when it's finished, we'll pop another little film out there and show you guys the rest of it. So there you have it. We're here at Rex Upholstery, watching the finishing touches go on the car. It's like the icing on the cake. The interior looks beautiful. I can't wait to see the actual leather on it and all that stitched up. We're gonna come back in a couple weeks and show that off to you guys. And the car will be pretty much wrapped up and going back on set of Shifting Gears. So if you want to see more of the car, check out Shifting Gears. This car's pretty much on, I think, every episode. So subscribe to our channel, leave your comments down below, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys in a couple weeks when this is all done.